Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Framer to Shopify and is it possible? So first, I am going to show you how to create an account here in Framer. So this is your Framer. Once you have your account, then what you're going to do is click this new project. So basically, it's easy to create a project here because on the left side, you can see options above if you want to add elements, if you want to add pages, if you want to add frames, if you want to add objects. So let's just say for my new project, I'm going to add a landing page here. So I have to go to pages and then select here, for example. You can also add portfolio, everything is up to you. So now I have added landing page here and I want to add also something from section. So you just have to click that one, and as you can see, I have here my landing page, my FAQ, sign up today, and I also have this add section for complete pages. I can just simply add images or any forms right here. So this is just for this tutorial, and this is how you add pages, sections, or elements. You can also add collections, fields, media, and other elements here. All you have to do is to click and select that, and you will see the result right away here on the right side. So basically, here I'm going to add some images for my project. Let's just say I am selling vintage products. So to change the title, you just have to click this one, and then for example, my page or the title is Vintage with Me. Okay, so you can just simply change the font style, font size. You can add effects to your font right here on Figma. You can change the background color if you want. You have to put frames first. And then as you can see, this blank page or blank square right here, this is where you're going to add your photo or image. So if I'm going to click this one, okay, so let me change colors first. So if I'm going to click this, as you can see, there is this choose image. You have your option below for resolution. Now this time, I will be introducing to you Canva. I will be creating my image here or my image product using Canva because Canva is a free editing tool. So here I have created this Vintage with Me. You can change this one. There are tons of free elements here in Canva. All you have to do is go to elements, search for that specific element, for example, vintage shoes. You can also upload your products here. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this image and go back to my framer. This time I'm going to tap this choose image right here and then import the image or photo that I have created using Canva, and this is what it looks like. So this is how you create page here on your framer. You can also change some words right here because actually this template for landing page is just a guide for you. I mean, you can change everything here. Okay, so you can add effects and so on. Same goes with the pages below. If you want to add pages, if you want to change the background color, add effects and so on, you can do that here on Framer. And then once you're okay with the result, then the next thing you should do here is to click this play button to see the result. Okay, here I'm going to add another one. So choose image, go to Canva, share, download, and then go back to your framer and then upload. Okay, and this is the result. So let's just say you have your new page already here on Framer. Okay, so this is how you test this, a preview. You just have to click this play button. Okay, so now I'm going to show you Shopify. So if you have created your project, you are ready to connect this to your Shopify. So you have to go to plugins. And then here in plugins, you have to search for Shopify. But unfortunately, I cannot find the Shopify here on Framer's plugins. So what I'm going to do is I go to Shopify. And of course, you need to create a store. Once you have your store, go to Shopify App Store. Click this one. And if you go to the search icon, then you have to look for Framer here. Type Framer. And unfortunately, again, you can't see a Framer here that you can add to your Shopify. Obviously, I think they have removed it or they didn't allow Framer to install inside the Shopify App Store. But here's the thing. What you're going to do is you have to go to Framer Commerce. So this Framer Commerce will help you connect your Framer to your Shopify. All you have to do is to visit their page, and their page is this. Okay, as you can see, Framer Commerce build Shopify stores on Framer Fest. You don't need to go to, go to Shopify, add plugins, add application. What you're going to do is you just have to simply go to Framer Commerce, but this one is not for free. So if you really want to connect your Framer to your Shopify, you need to click this buy now. And a bit information about Framer Commerce, it's a feature that allows you to build custom e-commerce website. And if you want to connect it with Shopify, you can integrate Shopify's powerful backend with Framer's visually rich design. So this is the cost. If you tap this buy now, you will see here the plan. Okay, so you have DIY, basic, pro, all access. And as you can see for DIY, you can connect up to 2 Shopify products and so on for basic, up to 25 for pro, more, and then for all access you can see here all features, so you can compare and you can select which one you would like to choose. So basically this is how you add your Framer or connect your Framer to your Shopify. It is through Framer Commerce. I think this is just one of the methods, but I think this one is the easiest. So if you tap buy now, if you select this DIY, let's just say, if you tap this one, click buy now, it will take you directly to your payment method or payment option. You can pay via card or you can pay via PayPal. Everything is up to you. Okay, so this is Framer Commerce. Now, if you have your Framer Commerce with you and if you don't know how to start, then basically I'm going to show you an overview or a little bit information how to start or how to connect your Framer with Shopify. So first is set up your Shopify. You must have your Shopify store. Create a Framer project. You must have your Framer project, of course. And then once that you can install your Shopify to your Framer, then all you have to do is install Shopify application in Framer. Now, if you know how to use API or if you know how to, locate this Shopify API, then you can use your Shopify storefront API and then embed Shopify content in Framer. And then after that, you can customize the Framer storefront. So now that you have integrated, or if you choose a plan here in Framer Commerce, then this is the step. You have to link your Shopify store to your Framer. Since I can't purchase this Framer Commerce for now, this is the step once you have upgraded or choose a plan there. So if you want this step-by-step procedure here, then please do comment down below and we're going to add this to our description. So basically this is it. Customize the Framer storefront and then after that you can test and publish. In short, it's easier to connect your Framer to your Shopify using this Framer Commerce. As easy as that. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.